Hello guys, I am Jitendra from LetsCMS Private Limited. Today I am going to show you that how Binary MLM plan we can install in the local host with you. So this is some important part for the all the members that some members do the things like the review. So that's why reason I am just giving you the things that the how this is works. Okay, so here is the if we are searching the binary MLM plan, then definitely there will be the binary MLM plan plugin and we can install it easily. But here we cannot install directly by this one because we are using the local host. If you are on the live server, then definitely you can directly install from here. Okay, so what I am going to do right now, I am just going to from here I am going to download this one. So just a minute. Sorry for this one. Yes, I did not open exactly the things. So here, if I will search the binary MLM plan, then I will get this one directly. If I am going here, from here I can download. This has been downloaded. Now I will go to documentations. Here this is the plugin. I copied this one plugin from here and I put in my project. Okay, this is WP content plugins and I put here. Okay, now what will be happen if I will go to the plugins, then definitely it will be show here. Okay, so as this is the latest version of the WordPress 6.6.2 and this is the installed successfully. If you will see, this is the installed. Okay, and this has been comes. Okay, so right now what is the process of this one? Basically this is the existing user. If you want to make the existing user, okay, as a first user, then you can also make from here. Otherwise this is the button there. I am just putting the root user. Okay, username and root user @test.com is the email and just simple putting the password equal to 1290. Okay, so this has been successfully installed. Okay, it means that the first user has been created from this one. If you will see, this has the first user. Okay, so the role of the binary MLM plan for this one. Okay, and if we are going here, this is the the eligibility and whatever the things. If you need the currency like that, the Indian rupees, I am having the currency of this one. Okay, so initial direct pair suppose the direct pair referral equal to 2 suppose, and one on the left and one on the right, then the eligible you will. So we can put here like this one. It's mean that the one can be in the left or one can be in the right. If at least the one is the direct referral, then you are eligible to get the commissions there. Okay, so this is after this one I am going to the payout section. So the payout direct referral commissions you can put like this one. Suppose if I am putting the 5%, so here 5% or fixed value you can put. Okay, service charges, whatever the service charges you want to have, percentage of fixed or whatever the tax deductions. Okay, if I am putting the text cash BMP cap limit, so BMP cap limit we can have like this one. So save changes. Okay, currency this one here the EPIN generation plan. So this is the about the EPIN. So you can put the EPIN name like the first package. If I have put the first package regular or the free, so this is the two types of the EPINs here, number of the EPINs. If I want to generate this one length. I want to have the 12, or the length I want to have the 5. Let's see the 5. Okay, 1000 is the 1000 INR is the cost of this one. So if I will go, this is the settings of the EPIN generations. Okay, if I want to check the EPIN reports, then I created the 100. So if you will see here, the 100 is the EPINs report. So the payout report is the other things that you will run this one applications. User reports is the other things. If you will see the user report, then definitely you will get like these are the user report for the binary MLM. Okay, now the whatever the eligibility part is there, and the payout runs from here, the payout runs as well. So this has the limited features of the plugin because this is the free. Okay, so you can do, but you can check the by this one. So if you will see here, I am running this one on the other things. Okay, so suppose this is the BMP account detail, downlines and network and register. If I am going to the register, this is the, like, if first user. Okay, I am first user @test.com. first user password I am having the 12390. same things I am doing the password for the 90. Phone number something. Okay, oh, sit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, sponsor, I put the sponsor, the root user here, position is equal to left, or EPIN is the optional. I register here. Okay, I have registered here. Okay, so if I am going here, first user, I just log in the front end. Okay, after this one I can check like that I have the first user. I go to the here, this is the my account detail. Okay, but this have the like limited features, so that's why the reason it is showing like this one. Okay, so if you will see this one, this is the my things. Okay, so if I will log in here as a root user, if you know root user, same password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, I put here downlines. If I go to the downlines, this just before sometimes I created this one user, that is the first user on the left side of this one, and from here you can do division of the BMP like the pretty URL. This is not working here. Okay, so what we can do here, if you will see in the admin section as well, in the admin sections, if you will go to the admin sections, you can see here the pro features. If you want to upgrade, then you will go to the here. Okay, and whatever the things you want, we can customize according to your request. Okay, from here you can get all the details. So this is the perfect like that one, the whatever the problem faces by the users to install this one, that is the a video by which the user can easily find out the things. Okay, yeah, so in the next videos, if I will get the time, then definitely I will generate for the others like that, the how the things is works in the further on this one. Okay, okay, thank you guys for this one. Okay.